Most weapons wait for a command. Someone pulls a trigger. Someone gives an order. Something happens. These don't work that way. These weapons take off. They find the target themselves. And then they become the weapon. Today we're looking at 3 Israeli loitering munitions. The IA-I Harop, the ELBIT SkyStriker, the IMI Systems Green Dragon. 3 different approaches to the same idea. A drone that hunts, waits, and strikes on its own terms. Let's go. Harop the platform, the IA-I Harop. This is the platform that made the world take Israeli loitering munitions seriously. Length, around 2.5 meters. Wingspan, around 3 meters. Weight, around 135 kilograms. Warhead, 23 kilograms. Endurance, up to 9 hours in the air. Range, over 1,000 kilometers. The radar hunting system. Here's what makes the Harop genuinely different from most loitering munitions. It doesn't just hunt targets visually. It hunts radar emissions. Every radar system, air defense radar, fire control radar, early warning radar, broadcasts a signal. That signal is detectable. The Harop is designed to find that signal, lock onto it, and follow it all the way home, straight into the radar antenna, straight into the system generating that signal. That's the strategic logic. Before you send in the jets, send in the Harops. Combat use. The Harop has seen real combat. The most documented use was during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War, where Azerbaijan deployed it against Armenian air defense systems. The results were significant. Armenian radar installations were destroyed before conventional strikes followed. It's been exported to India, Azerbaijan, and others. India operates it along both its Pakistani and Chinese borders, 2 of the most complex air defense environments in Asia. Why it matters. Here's the broader point about the Harop. Modern air defense is built around radar, Patriot batteries, S-300 systems, Buk systems. All of them depend on radar to function. Take away the radar, and $1 billion air defense network becomes a collection of expensive metal sitting in a field. ELBIT SkyStriker, the platform, the ELBIT SkyStriker. Smaller than the Harop, different mission profile, but in some ways more flexible. Weight, around 35 kilograms. Warhead, 3 to 5 kilograms. Endurance, up to 2 hours. Range, around 100 kilometers in autonomous mode, further with operator guidance. How it works, the SkyStriker is man-portable. A small team can carry it, set it up, and launch it without any fixed infrastructure. No runway, no launch vehicle, just a tube launcher, a control station, and a target. Once in the air, it can loiter over a target area for up to 2 hours. The operator watches live video from the drone's camera. When the right target appears, a vehicle, a weapons position, a command post, the operator designates it, and the SkyStriker dives. Export and use. The SkyStriker has been exported to multiple countries. Ukraine received a number of them. Azerbaijan has operated them. Several Asian and African militaries have shown interest. Why it matters. The SkyStriker represents a shift in how precision strike capability is distributed on the battlefield. Previously, precision strikes required aircraft, trained pilots, sophisticated targeting systems. That capability lived at the top of the military hierarchy, allocated carefully, used sparingly. Systems Green Dragon, the platform IMI Systems Green Dragon. Less well known than the Harop or SkyStriker, but it solves a specific problem in a genuinely clever way. The Green Dragon is a loitering munitions system designed to be fired from a standard military container. Multiple drones, stored, transported, and launched from the same sealed unit. The whole system is self-contained. The system concept, the Green Dragon, isn't designed as a standalone weapon. It's designed as a swarm system. One container holds multiple drones. All of them can be launched in rapid succession. Each one is individually guided, operator in the loop, with live video from each drone's camera. The operator selects targets, the drones dive. The logistics advantage. There's another dimension worth noting, the container concept itself. Military logistics is complicated. Moving weapons across a battlefield, storing them safely, keeping them ready. All of that takes infrastructure, personnel, and planning. The Green Dragon's container system simplifies that significantly. Conclusion: 3 weapons, 3 different approaches to the same fundamental idea. The IAI Harop hunts radar, 9 hours in the air. The ELBIT SkyStriker puts precision strike in the hands of a squad. Man-portable. 2 hours loitering. Abort capability. The IMI Green Dragon thinks in swarms. Multiple drones from a single container.